Jinan Yuanshin Pet Food Company Limited, founded in 2005, located in Jinan City, Shandong Province. We take the breeding and processing mealworm as our core product. After years of continuous practice and innovation, have built high-standard aspect producing base and advanced production line. We use the world-leading color filters, microwave drying, preservation and sterilization technology for ensuring every batch of product is qualified. We possess Max Insect Series brand name, mainly for dry insect and fresh insect. Have got the registration of ISO, SDS, FDA, hot seal in America, Europe, Japan, Korea, and Southeast of Asia, and the leading position in the world. Welcome to visit us and hoping for the long-term cooperation with you.